In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin your watch list to your profile on CoinMarketCap. If you're someone who frequently follows your favorite cryptocurrencies, pinning your watch list can save you time and help you stay updated with the market trends without needing to search for each currency individually. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to head over to the CoinMarketCap website. This is the platform where you'll manage your cryptocurrencies, and it's well known for its comprehensive data and useful features. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection as you navigate through the site. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate your profile. Usually this is represented as a small icon, perhaps in the top corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged in, be sure to enter your credentials to access your account. After accessing your profile, you'll want to look for an option labeled Pin My Watch Lists. This feature allows you to keep your watch list readily visible and easily accessible right from your profile. Click on this option. If this is your first time pinning a watch list, you might be prompted with additional options to tailor the list according to your preferences. Customization can be quite handy, especially if there are specific cryptocurrencies you are more interested in tracking rather than a general list. Once you've selected your preferred watch list items, the final step is to save your selection. You'll notice a button labeled Save Selection, which is crucial, as it ensures all the changes you've made are updated and secure in your profile settings. Click on this button, and with that, your watch list should now be pinned conveniently on your profile. This feature is particularly beneficial for avid cryptocurrency enthusiasts who require quick access to their chosen data. By having your watch list pinned, you can immediately assess your interests upon logging in, saving valuable time, and providing a seamless user experience. Remember that this process can be adjusted whenever you wish. Whether you add more items to your watch list or decide to remove some, just repeat these steps and your updates will be applied as needed. In summary, by pinning your watch list on CoinMarketCap, you're enhancing your ability to monitor your selected cryptocurrencies efficiently. Hopefully, this becomes an indispensable part of your trading toolkit, allowing you to make more informed decisions with ease and precision. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your cryptocurrency ventures.